Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to present you the new NQI GTS 80. This is the 22 model. It's an electric scooter equivalent to the 125, and I have the pleasure to ride it these few days, and it's a very interesting scooter. It has an upgrades from the previous model, basically much more interesting dashboard, that's for sure, which is colorful, TFT, and you have an app where you can configure the information on the dashboard. And for what they've told me, we can even see the GPS information on the dashboard. The other big change, it's the engine, where now we have a 4600 watts against the 300 watts from the previous version. We're gonna have this scooter in my country in 4 colors: the gray, the black, the white and red, and the black and red. It's a keyless scooter, so we have the remote here. I just have to press the button to connect the key. We have an ignition where you use to unlock the seat and lock the steering. Basically that's it. You put it here, and since it is here, I'm gonna show you something. Yes guys, it comes with its own alarm, so we're just gonna wait for it to finish. And now that the alarm is finished, we're gonna continue. Since I tapped the seat, underneath the seat we have a battery, and here under our feet we have the second battery. So we have 2 lithium batteries, 60 volts, 26 amps, full charge 3.5 hours, and you have a range around 60 kilometers with this scooter. It seems small range, but it's more than enough for your everyday commutes inside the city, okay? This is a city scooter. It can go outside, as you will see further ahead when I hit fast lane, and it can go interesting speeds. But the most interesting thing, and where she feels comfortable, it's inside the city. Other interesting things, the handlebars and mirrors and everything, I will talk while you are riding. If you take a look in the front, we have LEDs. The front lever operates the front brake, the rear lever operates the rear brake, which is linked to the front brake, so it's a combined brake system that we have on this scooter. And before we hit the road, we do have a side stand, central stand, seat height 850 millimeters, so everyone will reach the floor without any issues. And the total weight of the scooter, 114 kilograms. So it's very light, it's very agile, and it's very interesting to be on the road. And on this topic, let's see how she behaved. And here we are on board of the new NQI S80. And this one has big improvement from the previous one. 2 of them, which is the dashboard, like I said, and this 4600 battery engine compared to the 3100, it gives it more pleasure to run. Again, I'm gonna make the point that this scooter, it's more suitable to ride inside the city, but you can commute between your work and your home if you live in different cities. Like this is Sintra, and I work in Lisbon. I can catch this road here without any issues with this scooter, and I will not stall traffic, as I'm going to show you in a while. I will be reaching speeds on the 80 kilometers an hour on this direction, 85 top, because it's a little going uphill. It's on the same direction of the wind, and all of that help. On the other direction, I was able to do 75 kilometers an hour because I had the wind against me and everything, and I wasn't able to go over. Now I'm 73, 75, 6, 7, 8. I know it's going to be 80, 85, something like that, okay? 83, 85, 87, oh, 88. Oh my gosh, it's going crazy. Wow, almost 19 kilometers an hour. It stops there, it doesn't go more than this. 89 kilometers an hour there on the dashboard, which in real life should be something like 80 kilometers an hour. So I could commute to work without stalling and do my commute without having to go on a public transportation, which I personally don't like too much. Things here on the scooter. Handlebar. I don't like the mirrors, but they have good visibility, easy to adjust, they are round. That's the only thing I don't like. We do have the both levers. On this side, high beams, low beams and passing lights, blinkers left and right, horn and cruise control. On the other side, this plus and minus buttons is to change the riding modes, where we do have 3 riding modes: Eco, Dynamic and Sport. Eco limits the scooter at 25 kilometers an hour and it has the color green. The Dynamic to 50 kilometers an hour and it has the color blue. And the Sport, it limits to no limit and it has the color red. So basically this is how it works. We can go here and look at this little torque that it has. It's an amazing. Let's do the braking test. Okay, combined braking test, as you saw. So the rear wheel will lock, but since the motorcycle it's very agile, you will not feel anything. Suspensions are good, okay? But before we go to suspensions, then we do have here hazard lights and the ready button, or the starter of the motorcycle, which show you there the ready indication, which means you can give it throttle to go your way. Going uphill, look, zero effort on this scooter. Since I was pointing here at the dashboard, TFT, colorful, we have an application to configure the dashboard and everything. We have the speed here, battery levels here on the side, the consumption, average and a clock on the top. It's beautiful, it's different from the previous model and it's much more interesting. I was talking back there in suspensions, and the suspensions are good in conjunction with this seat, which is comfortable, but it's narrow, especially for me that I'm a tall guy. I would need a little bit more wider seat, but it is comfortable. And also, being a tall guy, as you can see here, I have one finger between my knees and the fairings. The scooter is very compact, very city designed. If you have two people, rider and pillion, tall guys will have problems. If it's only one, I can move a little bit more back, occupy a little bit of the pillion seat, and I have more space. So like that I can ride, and I ride 99% of the time I ride alone, so it wouldn't be that big of an issue. Then USB socket here, hook for the groceries, ignition. Basically it's just to open the trunk, the seat trunk and lock the steering. And we have this rubber mat here on the floor, like you saw, where is the battery underneath your feet. It's something that you have to be careful. Don't leave it on a motorcycle, because it's very easy to steal if someone knows and knows this motorcycle. That's the only thing that I would be concerned on the motorcycle. It has an alarm, okay, like you saw, but it doesn't protect if someone steals this rubber mat. That's one of the things. I'm just going to show you that on this direction, okay, the wind now, I am against the wind. I will not be able to go over the 75 kilometers an hour. And also there is traffic here, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be the speed that I will be reaching. 56, 58, nothing more than that. Okay, I wanted to show you, but not all the time it is possible to do what I want. So I'm just gonna go at these speeds and I'm gonna exit on the next one. And I hope that you liked this presentation and review of this 22 model of the new NQI GTS 80. It's a very pleasant scooter. It is designed for the city, for urban community, and for that it is good. Much more than that, you need to think twice of what you're gonna do, the range you got of the things you're gonna do, if you are able to go there to charge and return, all those things. But it's up to you. In my opinion, just take a look at this nice scooter. And the only downside, it's the storage capacity, because of the two batteries you don't have storage to put an helmet or anything like that, but you have more torque. And with more torque and with more power, you have more fun. Having said this, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you receive future videos, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!